Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2019 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.